In part 2 of the mural for the crown cover, more adornments are added. An avid follower of the channel, Sandy B4693, thought more could be done to the moon, and I agree. So Sandy, this is for you. I begin by marking where the cap will be made. Rather than a sleeping face as Sandy suggested, I thought a whimsical face like that on the inspiration would be ideal for the moon. My zodiac sign, my mother's, and my grandmother's, which you'll see later, are stenciled on the mural. The star on the cap is replaced with a ball. To complete the cap, Duraclear satin varnish is applied, then blue and gold glitter are sprinkled on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.